guns and they got the shout. The boys, the crew, look out, we loud on the scene.
What's up, guys? Pretty.
Are you filming already?
Yeah, bruh.
Oh.
Pretty wet day. But decided to record. Here with Patty.
Really?
Me?
Yeah.
Nah, bro, I'll stack it.
Oh, I can't. Right.
Hit me. Oi, oi.
Hell, that rain come from?
Tree. Go, bro.
Holy build up of water.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Actual dam on it. That damn dam.
Bro, look at this.
Have you put that in wet?
Yeah, I have.
I think you wet.
I hated it. Yeah. They're too high. I don't mind like a little jump. Bit of a doom and gloom day today, to be honest. But when we had to make this work, bro. Because last night I texted Patty asking, do you want to go ride? Oh, shit. I asked him, do you want to go riding? And he goes, yeah, I'll just, yeah, bloody hell. Yeah, and it's raining. It's raining yesterday as well, but not as much. So, go.
Bro, I literally just made a speech and it wasn't even turned on. Willie! Oh! Woo!
Hey! Bro, I bet that's kind of fire.
What is up with my back brake? This is a new bike. And the back brake already sounds like it's like 20 years old.
Yes, son. Oh, Patty!
Yeah, this new bike's amazing for wheelies because they're bigger tyres.
Yeah. Oh, I came down to Sandbox. Is this your first time with that bike?
Nah. You go first.
Where am I going?
Down there. Now it's careful, it is wet, so don't go fast.
I'm
But...
not going down there, it's too wet.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Meet you back up here.
What, are you going to go all the way?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll go all the way. There's no car coming.
No, is that right? No, it's a tree.
Yeah, you're standing right under the one drip from the tree. Yeah, okay, I'll meet you back up here. I'll meet you under the collar. Okay guys, so we just separated from Campo. Going down this hill, it's a bit steep, I'm not going to go fast, it's a bit slippery. So, see how this goes. Campo pushed out of this, so. Oh. Around this corner. life unblocked. Ugh. Yes, sir. Oh my god, this hole is massive. I'm not that tall. Alright, we'll meet you guys back up at the... Oh, crap.
Well, that's good news.
Oh, we're just running in the rain.
No.
What? Riding in the rain's awesome. It's absolutely amazing. Woo!
I reckon it's gonna get super duper heavy.
I think it gets heavy. And it usually just does this, and it gets really heavy, and it just stops for like half an hour. That's what it always does. We got a video to make from it. You can't let that.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Alright, come on. Alright, so right now we're riding in the rain, bloody hell. It's sprinkling, but we're still riding. We have to go back home because we need to go to the toilet. Yeah.
Don't go in that black stuff. Really.
Which?
Don't go in that.
Oh my gosh. Oi! My foot came off the pedal.
Oh, I thought from here it sounded like you popped your tyre. When you first see the top, I felt like the other one, I had to back down.
Yeah, you're speaking from experience.
Yeah, I popped like 4 tires.
Mate, what? Oi, my gears are getting messed up because of the rain.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Your mom probably had doors broken.
So, might need to go quick.
I'm going down.
Yeah, I told you. Holy jeez. Holy. It's going hard now. Yep. Nah. My bike. I need to walk. Come on, Campo. You got it. Alright, we'll pick up the GoPro in a few minutes when it's come. Bro, I'm dripping. Bro, I'm dripping. Oi! Oh, can't pick up the GoPro in a few minutes. Alright guys, we're back at Patty's. It is like not pouring, but it's raining, alright? So we're gonna pick up the GoPro in a few minutes once it's calmed down, and we'll be back out there. Mate, my pedals are so slippery. Yeah, but then they rust. Then they rust. But then the metal pedals rust.
No, just metal spikes.
My God.
The whole range for
My gears are weird. Gotta be careful here, it's a main road. Go! No, don't.
that GoPro on?
Hmm?
That GoPro on? Huh? Yeah. Go. Please die! Oh my god.
Nah, wait, walk. You're on the main road, just walk.
We gotta walk. Fine, we gotta walk. Stop here. Can I ride down the stairs later?
Yeah, alright, if you want. You gonna chuck the GoPro on?
Yeah, why not? Actually, no, my pedals are too wet. I'll
Yeah.
just slip off my pedals. I did that for the school once. Scary.
Zip up.
Especially this, like now you're given 2 pedals, 2 steps.
There.
So
Good? Need help? You need to...
I got it.
There you go. There you go. Imagine going to the club for lunch.
That'd be fun. Well, not over 18. I can't order. You can get in there easy enough, but you can order it.
Oh, here comes the rain again. Wait, hold on to the bus. Wait, no, go.
Patty's like literally 200 meters away.
Just hold on to the chip bowl.
Why?
No one's there.
Why?
Because it's raining. No one goes there when it rains.
Do we even count if it's raining?
Yeah. Yeah, no one's there. Whee!
You gotta fly around.
No, not really. Got a little protection.
GoPro helmet. I'll fly around in here.
What, on your butt?
Yeah.
Actually?
I'll take my jumper off. So I'm gonna jump off. Okay, guys. Well, actually, take my watch off. I want to smash that. And just start. I'm starting the smaller one. I'll go down to the big one. Okay, I just want to see how slippery this is. Oh crap. Oh. I'm not sliding anymore. I stopped sliding. That's not really slippery. I don't slide. Only when you're going like down hills like this. What?
Go on the top of that and come down.
Oh hell no.
You can even get up there. Go.
Oh hell no.
You gotta grab your shoes, bro. You'll be good.
Oh. Let's go down the big one.
Oh, here we go.
Oh man, this is big. Bro, it's like a vertical drop right there. Alright, here we go. Wait for Campo.
Are you gonna climb?
Yeah. I'm special. Why does that work so well?
How are you gonna get out?
I don't know. Figure that out later. Woo! I don't know about sliding down this. How's this gonna work? Oh, it's so slippery. Oh. Yo, these walls are massive. Which way? Wait, should we get Macca's for lunch? No. Oh yeah. Wait, what Patty? Just bring it low. Wait, can you move back? I'm parked in. Yeah.
Go and drink it.
God, my brakes didn't go then.
Yeah.
I was about to keep going. No, somehow. We are in, brother. Oh guys, if you're still watching right now, comment bike, so we know you're still watching. Go. He's looking at his phone. So comment bike if you're still here. Just the bike emoji or bike.
then we'll know you're a true one. Bike racks. Oh, well, that's in the rain. No, don't do that. That's in the rain. Do it here, do it here. Do it in the windows so you can see it. Alright guys, so we're just eating lunch. We'll pick up the camera once we're done. Alright ladies and gentlemen, that will be the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, she almost got run up. I accidentally almost. They were looking at the bag and I went.
Anyway,
I
bye.
almost crashed into a bin. Anyway, if you liked it, like, comment,
And subscribe.
and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
With the cap guns, emptying out the shout. The boys, the crew, look out and we loud on the scene.